Okay, Jai Hind, the students.
Jane, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today we will be starting with Unit 6. This Unit 6, the name is Social Responsibility of Business and Business Ethics. But this time, as the CBSE has reduced the syllabus, so this part has been removed. So we'll not be talking about the business ethics and its other aspect of it. So we would be limiting our discussion as per the syllabus, that is social responsibility of business only. Is it okay? Correct? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And to understand this, what are the things which we need to talk about? So the first thing which we would be discussing, that is the concept of the social responsibility. So I would request you all, please write questions. First
I'm sure
question.
you have given the questions to write.
Okay, that I have done. Okay. So I think I have given you 4 questions. A, what is the meaning of the social responsibility? What is the concept of the social responsibility? Then I ask you to examine the case for social responsibility. Or this question can be asked in another way also. It can be asked like, what are your arguments for social responsibility? Correct? Not against the social responsibility, but for social responsibility. Then we need to discuss the social responsibilities toward different interest group. What are those interest group? Owners, shareholders, investors, consumer, employees, government, and community. So this we would be discussing in the third question. Fourth question is that what is the role of business in environment protection? How a business can help in environmental protection? These are the 4 questions which we will be discussing one by one. So before I go to talk about the social responsibility, I would request one of you to read this, which you are seeing on the screen. If this is what I have shown you, I was talking about. This is which we have not to read, business ethics part, and these are those 4 questions which I just said. So you may take the screenshot of this, will be there with you as a part of the syllabus of Unit 6. And I said that please read this.
Concept of social responsibility. Social responsibility of business refers to its obligation to take those decisions and perform those actions which are desirable in terms of the objectives and values of our society. The assumption of
Wait,
social
wait. Obligation means what? What is obligation?
Sir, obliged. Sir,
Like I say that I'm having this is my responsibility to take care of my students. This is my responsibility, right? So it is an obligation also on me that I need to take care of my students. So we are using the obligation word to replace this responsibility word. Correct? So responsibility means obligation. You are obliged to do that. Getting it?
yes, sir.
So obligation is what? You are responsible for this. What? To take those decisions and perform those actions which are desirable in terms of the objective and values of our society. What is the objective of the society in which we are living? Everyone should be in harmony. Everyone should live with peace. We should help each other. We should cooperate with each other. Isn't it? Is it not the objective of the society?
So it is.
And if we talk about the values of our society, then what are the values of our society? Do you understand values? We had values of sunbeam tree. Do you understand the meaning of values? Come
Yes,
on,
sir.
very
Yes, sir.
please let me know what is values.
The importance of something.
Obviously, it is there, but here, what does it mean? Here, values means what? Can someone,
Sir, respect.
sorry, respect?
Something like that, sir.
Okay, respect is one of the value. You should have respect for your
So
seniors. This is one
principles.
value.
So principles.
Principles, okay, and see here, the of course this word has come from the value only. Value means the amount of money that something is worth. This is what we say, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
जैसे इस लैपटॉप का वैल्यू कितना, मतलब इस लैपटॉप की प्राइस कितनी. But is it the price only that will determine the values of it, or its use, its importance also will be included in the values?
Yes, sir. Utility
So it
also.
will be included.
Right? So how much importance you are giving to something, that is its value. Like, let me know, what will you prefer or what will you value, honesty or dishonesty?
So honesty.
So honesty is one of the values of the society. Making sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Disturbing someone or helping someone, which one is the value?
Helping.
Helping someone.
Helping someone.
So values means what you consider important or worthwhile. That is called as values. Making sense?
Yes, sir.
तो हर एक सोसाइटीज का वैल्यूज भी थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो सकता है, बट सोसाइटी के लिए क्या अच्छा है वो वैल्यूज है उसका. जैसे हम यहाँ पर किसको वैल्यू करते हैं, हम अपनी सोसाइटी में किसको वैल्यूज करते हैं? अच्छे से रहना, एक दूसरे की हेल्प करना, हेल्पिंग. Come on, can you give some more words of the values if you have understood now?
Sacraments.
Yes. Sacrifice is one of the value. Donating something, no, which you have extra, that is value.
Sir, in Hindi, sir, sanskar.
हाँ, संस्कार भी बोल सकते हैं. कल्चर भी हमारे वैल्यूज का पार्ट है. और
So justice.
जस्टिस, वेरी करेक्ट. जस्टिस इज वन ऑफ द वैल्यू. और बताओ. अच्छा, let me ask you in that way, then you will understand it. Huh? Suppose you are traveling in a bus and you say, okay, wait. Let me show you something. This is more interesting.
सर वो वाला इसमें सर वो मतलब क्या था डिसेबल्ड वाला.
Huh? Ah, right. So
So you shared it in the YouTube.
yes. So how many of
She
you have
gave
seen that?
she gave her shirt to.
So we have
she-
saw.
All
So
of
we
you?
have saw that.
All of you? How many of you have not seen? Please let me know. Those who have not seen. Come on, unmute and speak. Sir, I have not seen.
So I have not seen.
Okay, don't worry. It's just 2-minute video, so We will not be wasting our time, but I want you all to see it once again.
Yes, sir. This will add some values.
Definitely. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it was good.
Yes,
Did
sir.
you all see? Okay. What is the learning? What did you observe in this video?
So we should help everyone.
Sir,
Like
kindness.
this.
I can see 8 students are here, and if I check how many have responded in the Google Classroom, it's 7. Who has not marked his attendance? Amar, please do so. If you are not doing it, you will remain absent.
Okay, sir.
And if you are not attending the classes and marking, that is not ethical. That is not
No, sir. I
as per
attend the
your
classes, but I
values.
don't mark on the.
No, you should. You should mark. This is your right. But if you are doing against
Okay.
this, then it is not. You are not following the values. You are not being honest then. You are not attending the class and you mark that I am present. That is not fair. Getting it? So, did you understand that what is values now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay. So, let me come back again to. There was one more video where one person is playing violin and he is being helped by other people. He's having a dog also. That video also you can see. Immediately after that video I have shared. Okay. Now is screen visible.
Yes, sir.
So, so it depends on the objectives of society as the values of society, right? So those actions we need to take, those decisions we need to take, which goes as per the objective and values of our society. Hope I made it clear. This line is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now read from
Yes,
here,
sir.
Amar. Come on, read. Krishna.
Yes, sir. The assumptions of social responsibilities by business enterprise implies that they respect the as, aspiration of society and would try their best to contribute to achievement of this aspiration along with their profit interests.
Correct. Now, what does it mean? This aspirations. What is aspirations? You all have the online facility to check the word meaning. Can someone tell me what
So
is
dreams,
aspiration? Sorry,
dreams.
So desire,
who all are
So
huh?
ambition,
so
Ambition,
desire,
desire. Okay. Anyone else?
dreams.
Strong desire.
who
Can
all are
you say
preparing
strong
for
desire? Or just desire won't be enough. You can
So
say
desire related to
strong desire
related
to
to
achieve something. That is called aspirations. Like I aspire to be a singer. That's why I left this city and going to another city or Mumbai to become a film actor. So I aspire to be an actor. That is called aspirations. Hope I made it clear.
Yes, sir.
So here the assumption of social responsibility is by business enterprise that they respect the aspiration of society. Means whatever is the strong desire of the society, they should respect it and would try their best to contribute to the achievement of these aspirations. केवल रेस्पेक्ट करेंगे ऐसा नहीं है, बल्कि जो सोसाइटी का एस्पिरेशन है या सोसाइटी की जो एस्पिरेशंस हैं उनको अचीव करने में भी कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. जैसे लेट मी नो दैट व्हाट सोसाइटी वांट्स अ polluted environment or pollution free environment.
pollution free.
pollution free.
So you should respect it. You should use such eco-friendly product which will help to keep our environment clean. As well as you should do something so that whatever is the pollution we have in our society, if it can be reduced, it can be removed. That is also our job to do. So that includes in the social responsibility. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But remember it, my dear student, you are not going to do all these things at the cost of losing your profit. You have to keep your profit interest also in the mind. ये सब करने में आप बिजनेस में लॉस करने लग जाओ, ऐसा भी नहीं है. सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ बिजनेस का मतलब ये कतई नहीं कि आप एक सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बन जाइए, आप प्रॉफिट अर्न करना बंद कर दीजिए. प्रॉफिट भी अर्न करिए बट सोसाइटी की जो एस्पिरेशंस है उनका भी ख्याल रखिए. इज इट ओके नाउ?
Yes,
Is the
sir.
concept of the social responsibility understood?
Yes.
yes, sir.
So the idea behind this is what? I want again someone to read this. Why we are talking about the social responsibility? Please.
The idea is in contrast to the common notion that business exists for for maximizing profits for its owners, and it is irrelevant to talk of public good. It follows the responsible business, and indeed any responsible member of society must act with due concern for the effects on the lives of other people.
Very true.
In this,
Wait. This is a mistake. I have not put here the space between two or responsible business. Yes, in this sense,
in this sense, social responsibility is broader than legal responsibility of business. Legal responsibility may be fulfilled by mere compliance with the law.
very true. Very true. So legal responsibility is different and social responsibility is different. I would be talking about all these things in detail later on, but right now you just understand this much that there is a difference between the legal responsibility and social responsibility is broader in terms of if we talk about the scope of legal and social responsibility. लीगल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मतलब आप कोई भी काम ऐसा मत करो जो इलीगल हो, but social responsibility includes following the values of the society. So it is much more than the legal responsibility. I would talk more about it later on. So social responsibility is more than that. Please read it.
Social responsibility is more than that. It is a firm's recognition of social obligations even though not covered by law, along with the obligations laid down by law. In other words, social responsibility involves an element of voluntary action on the part of business people for the benefit of society.
Okay. Now here I would ask a question. Suppose you are making a product, manufacturing a product, and you are doing adulteration in it. Then can you be jailed? Can there be a fine on your organization, on your business? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
doing this
Yes, sir.
against the law?
Because this is illegal.
Against the law?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, if you are in a business and you find that there is a flood in your society where you are running your business, right? So you are voluntarily going to help people. Is it legally required to help the people?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, you are doing it voluntarily. So this is social responsibility, right? So hope now you are having little bit idea of the difference between these two. Social responsibility you take voluntarily, and legal responsibility are those for which you are bound to fulfill it, right? Like you are manufacturing some product which is harmful for the health. So a statutory warning is must to write on that. If you are not doing it, means you are not following the legal responsibility. You take the screenshot of this page and read it later on. I will move further. So based on our discussion, if I ask you that what is social responsibility, will you be able to tell me yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the question is, do you think that the businessman should contribute to social responsibility? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If he is earning a lot,
Only 2 students said yes. Where are others?
sir, I said yes if he is earning a lot.
Okay, 3 students. We have 8 students in class. Please respond everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Sujal is here, Aryan Jaiswal, Ayush Chaudhary, Mansi, Amar. Why you are not responding? Amar has responded.
Sir, maybe or may not.
Why? Why this maybe may not be? Give reasons. Ishika has not responded. Please. Do you think that the businessman should contribute to social responsibility? Come on, say yes, no. Those who said maybe, may not be, please give your reason.
Sir, maybe it depends on its net income that he will be contributing in social responsibility or not, or his time
Should
he is getting.
should they take social responsibility? If they are making profit, then they should take. If they are not making profit, then they should not. This is what you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ishika?
Yes, sir. If the earnings will be more, then it will be.
Okay.
No, sir, it may not be the reason.
Mansi?
So it depends on the profit.
Okay. Sujal, what you were saying?
Some means they can contribute socially by making the products eco-friendly or not doing making any harm to environment. These may all be the reasons. It's not the reason only that they if they make profit then they will do these things.
Okay. Okay. Now the question is, what about making it compulsory as per Companies Act 2013? The Companies Act 2013 has made it compulsory for the companies, to spend some amount of their profit for social responsibility, and they call it CSR, means corporate social responsibility.
Corporate social responsibility.
Do you know what is the percentage of that?
So 2%.
2. Which company have to fulfill this social responsibility? If your sales is more than 10 billion rupees, if your net worth is of 5 billion rupees, if your profits is 50 million rupees, please remember it is billion, it is million. So these are some of the conditions. So how much, if these conditions are fulfilled out of these three, any one of the criteria you are fulfilling, then 2% of the net profit of the previous 3 years is spent annually. यानी कि इस साल ज्यादा प्रॉफिट हो गया तो इस साल का 2%, 3 साल का प्रॉफिट का एवरेज 2% निकाल करके हमको हर साल खर्च करना है. And you know what is the
Yes,
number
sir.
of the companies which are in India? It is more than 7,000. It is written here 7,000, but it has become now more than 7,000 companies. So more than 7,000 companies are contributing to social responsibility 2% of their net profit. So it's a huge amount, right? So mandatory spending or not? Now what is it? Can someone read it?
Final law says that there is an easy get out by claiming that there is nothing suitable to cite 2% of profit for CSR. Sometimes into charity and run by of Brabant.
Okay. This is the
Right.
one of the demerit of it, which we are talking about, the problem which is being faced. Finally, law says that there is an easy get out by claiming that there is nothing suitable to spend money on. आप मान लीजिए 2% आपने निकाल तो दिया, बट आप बोल रहे भाई ऐसा कुछ है नहीं जिसको हम स्पेंड कर सके, हमें कुछ ऐसा मिला ही नहीं जो जहां हम अपने प्रॉफिट का 2% खर्च कर सके. तो वो क्या करते हैं, इस पैसे को किसी एनजीओज के थ्रू जो पॉलिटिशियंस द्वारा रन है या कोई चैरिटीज, वो लोग जो कर रहे हैं उनको एक तरह का स्लस फंड अलाउ डोनेट करते हैं. सो इट्स अ लीगल वे ऑफ ब्राइबिंग, इट हैज बीन रिटन हियर. And then if you are honestly ready to help someone, then there is a problem that you don't find the right type of NGOs or charitable trust where you can donate this amount, because this amount is not a small amount. This becomes sometimes very very big. तो आपको उतना बड़ा एनजीओ भी तो मिलना चाहिए जहां आप वो खर्च कर सके। फिर उस एनजीओ के लिए भी कुछ कंडीशंस हैं गवर्नमेंट की कि आपने जिससे लिया है पैसा उसको आप इतने साल के अंदर अंदर खर्च कर लें। अगर आप नहीं कर पाते हैं तो आपके लिए भी फिर एक वो लाइबिलिटी बन जाएगा, राइट? सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स आर देयर. We will not go into that much detail, but those who are interested, please find out some facts about it and share it in the class. Take the screenshot of this. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next day means tomorrow we will be talking about the case for social responsibility. And tomorrow I would request you all to do some research and find out that which company is contributing to which NGO and how much work they have done, or any some good and interesting facts if you come to know about it. Please do share tomorrow. Will you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, so before I conclude the class, I would ask, as usually I used to ask earlier, what is your learning today?
Sir, helping towards each other.
Okay, good learning, very good. Ayush,
Sir, being kind with everyone.
okay. Sujal, you have to be very quick in responding. Aryan Kumar
So
Gupta,
we should be socially responsible to our society.
okay. Aryan,
Always show humanity.
Aryan Kumar Gupta,
Responsibility.
Aditi,
So about the corporation social responsibility.
Ishika,
So I said helping towards each other.
okay. Mansi,
Being kind.
Krishna,
The kindness and humanity and our
and our no issue. And please do watch. There are 2 more videos related to this. I would request everyone to see this, and tomorrow we will talk about it more.
So
Okay?
yes.
Aditi, please.
So I have a question.
Please.
So you told it is like made a law about social responsibility to donate in charities or NGOs or helping people, anything about that. So, but if there is a organization which is established in foreign countries but helping Indian people living there, so can they, fund that organization?
Yes. 100% yes.
Okay, sir.
You can donate to any national, international, provided they are doing something which is useful, which is good for society. So it's up to you that where you want to donate this money.
So any
Okay.
result further of FinLit?
Sorry?
So results of financial literacy.
Do not worry about the result, my dear student. Always believe in work.
Ma'am,
Work you have done.
sir.
Now the result will come. We will take it. Not
Sir.
to worry.
So the problem is Sujal can't sleep at night because of that. He will win or not. He's so eager about that.
Sir,
Okay.
I was
Like
saying
that,
sir,
sir.
our responsibility towards society, sir.
Uh-huh.
My network got get
We will
lost.
do. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll get the result.
So we were eager to know to see that Hindi debate, but
You should be
we
eager.
were not able.
Uh,
So no, sir, we were eager for that Hindi debate, but we were not able to see that
okay.
because timings were same, sir.
No issue. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.